Hi everyone and welcome to our Filmora Wondershare course. Great to have you here. This is our actual first video from our course and I'm really excited to have you here. We are going to cover Filmora from scratch, and once you finish this course you will become a professional video maker in Filmora. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to jump into our computer and actually check out the curriculum of this course and learn what we're going to learn into this course. Right here, as you can see, we have our headline of the course, which is Filmora Wondershare for Beginners, Master Video Editing in Filmora. What I'm trying to say is this course is created for beginners, but it won't stop intermediates, experts, or other people who edit videos well in Filmora to take this course and maybe refresh their memory and learn something they missed in past once they were learning Filmora and they were beginner as you were. So what we actually have here is the full curriculum of this course and every single headline from our lessons.